Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is Momos sauce. So let's get started. First we'll take 2 tomatoes and add lukewarm water till the tomatoes are fully submerged. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Our tomatoes are now ready to be peeled. You can see how easily we are able to peel the skin. Now we will start slicing it for the sauce. Add the tomatoes, then add 6 numbers of dried chilies, cashew nuts and almonds. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chili Powder. It is less spicy and gives a nice color to the sauce. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Close the lid. When the water starts releasing from the tomatoes, start mixing all the ingredients together. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Stir it with 5 minutes of intervals till the tomatoes are really cooked well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now we'll add salt, which is according to your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can add brown or white sugar. It will give the sauce a little sweetness to it. After mixing it, we'll keep it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cool it down. We'll start to blend it. Blend it till it's really thick. Now boil it till it gives a thick consistency. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And we'll keep it to simmer while we prepare the tempering. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can add butter. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Sautee it till it's golden brown. Once the garlic is golden brown, we'll add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri Chili Powder for having a nice aroma to the tempering. Mix it well. Now we'll add our tempering to the tomato sauce. This sauce is not only for momos, it can be used with doshas, uttappams, pizza sauce and snacks. Mix it and switch off the flame and close the lid for 1 minute before serving it. Our momo sauce is ready. Enjoy it with your favorite momos. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.